Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Creations of a Capricorn. Today I'm going to bring you a DIY of a lantern that I made that turned out really beautiful, and I thought that I would give you a quick tutorial and walk you through on the process of how I created this beautiful piece. First, you're going to need 3 of the round Dollar Tree mirrors, some beads, the skewers that you would get from the Dollar Tree, some wooden dowels from the Dollar Tree, some of the paint brushes that you get from the Dollar Tree, your hot glue and hot glue gun. You're going to go ahead and dismantle all those mirrors, taking the mirror part out. And then if you're using 20-inch beads, which is what I use, you're going to go ahead and string 17 of the 20-inch beads on the long dowels, and you're going to need a total of 4 of those. I'm sorry, on a long skewer, and you're going to need a total of 4 of those. And then you're going to take those sponges, the paint sponges, you're going to take the ends of them off because you want to use those for part of the decorative part of the lantern as well. You're going to glue 3 of those handles together, and you're going to need 2 of those. So a total of 6 of the handles glued together in threes to make a total of 2, if that makes sense. Then you're going to need, well actually you're not going to need this, but if you would like, I embellished my piece with some half pearls that I already had on hand to add to the decorative look of the item. And you can use that to add along the top rim of the lantern. Once you have all your beads strung on that skewer, you're going to go ahead and you're going to start gluing your pieces down into the inner part of one of those mirrors, the base part of the mirror. And then you can add some beads as embellishment to fill in any empty areas around that. And once you have all of your beads glued and your pieces glued, this is what you're going to get once you glue that top on. I use chiffon cream Rust-Oleum chalk paint because this is a paint choice that I use for most of my items that I DIY because I really like it. It goes with my decor in my home. And I also dry brushed it with some folk art gold paint as well. And this is what we came up with. I thought this piece turned out really beautiful. Now let me add, for that top piece, I already had that on hand, which was from a decorative jar that I bought from Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and it broke. So I kept the top, which is a heavy weighted piece, and actually it fit really well on top of this lantern. And I painted that and added the gold washed out look to it as well. And I think this piece turned out really pretty. So if you want to go ahead and use this piece, or if you want to go ahead and make this piece, go ahead and try it. I think it would turn out really pretty. I wasn't going to do a video on it at first because there are tons and tons of lantern videos on YouTube, but I thought that I would go ahead and do a quick tutorial on it just in case someone wants this look for their home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.